So he says.
Let's see. Woo! Do you know any, like, boom, boom, keep a beat going with your 2 drumsticks?
That's
Loud. Very loud. Do you want to try, Gray Gray?
Gray Gray, you want to try?
You want to try?
Okay. Let's switch.
Oh, it's not easy.
So serious.
Good job, Gray.
He's actually got more technique like actually.
I know. Woo! Oh, that's awesome, Gray. You're really good at that. Like, I wonder how he knows what to do.
He's good. He's hitting like
Really good. Got
a little bit of rhythm too.
Funny.
So cute.
Hey, can we give Via a turn now?
Vivi is. Okay, let's go back.
Agreed.
So serious looking.
Do it. Not do it. Agreed. Try to do it.
Woo! More cowbell.
Agreed. Do that
Yeah, more
cowbell.
cowbell.
Right there.
Where? That one. That one. There you go.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, where has he ever seen me
I know.
drumming
Yeah.
before?
He's holding them for
Agreed. Do the tiny one.
You can't reach it up.
Can't reach it.
I can lift it.
Hit your sticks together.
Let's go with this.
There you go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hit your sticks together.
You have to bang the sticks together. That's how you start. You go. You bang.
You go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How to do that? I do that.
You do that.